So here we're solving quadratic inequality. The symbol is greater than. Okay, so we have an example number 1. Find the solution set of x squared plus 3x minus 10 greater than 0. So we have our solution. Okay, write the quadratic inequality. Okay, x squared plus 3x minus 10 greater than 0. Then if the quadratic inequality is factorable, then we are going to factor. Since this quadratic inequality is factorable, then we are going to factor out this quadratic inequality. Okay, so since a is 1, so factored out x squared, we have x times x. Factors of negative 10, in which the sum is positive 3. So this is positive 5 and negative 2. So if you multiply, that's negative 10. If we are going to add 5 and negative 2, the result is positive 3. Okay, so that is our factors, 5 and negative 2. So our factors now will be our factors now are correct. Then we are going to create 3 horizontal lines. Three horizontal lines. Okay, in which the third line is the number line. Okay, in the center is 0. The right side of 0 are positive numbers. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we have here the left side is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, and negative 6. Negative 5, negative 6. Then we are going to write the factors here in the right side of our number line, which is x plus 5 and x minus 2 in the space of our 3 horizontal lines. Okay. Then x plus 5, what should be the value of x to make it 0? I think that's negative 5. So that is negative 5. So we are going to create a horizontal, a vertical broken line with respect to negative 5. It says that that value x plus 5 is 0. So the right side of 0 will be positive, 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 and the left side of 0 will be negative. So right here, negative, 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 and so on. And for x minus 2, okay, the values or the value of x in which x minus 2 is 0 is 2. So we draw a broken line vertical to 2, then 0, then right side of 0 is positive, the left side of 0 will be negative. Okay, after that one, we are going to multiply, get the product of x plus 5 and x minus 2. Okay, so we are going to multiply the signs. So positive times positive in this area will be positive, 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 and in that area, positive times negative, the result is negative, 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 and negative times negative in that area will be positive, positive, positive. Then after multiplying the signs, we are going back with our inequality. Take note that is greater than 0, meaning to say x squared plus 3x minus 10 should be positive, because that is great. All positive numbers are greater than 0, so that it should be positive. Okay, it should be positive. And these factors, if you multiply these two factors, this should be also positive to make the statement true. So what we are going to find here in our table of signs should be positive. Okay, the product should be positive. So this area here and this area here. So what should be the solution set in our first area? That is x less than -5. Okay, that area x less than -5. And in the second area, that is positive, that's x is greater than 2. X is greater than 2. Okay, so our solution set, will be x is less than -5 or x is greater than 2. Okay, so our solution set will be x less than -5 or x is greater than 2. Okay, that is our solution set or our set notation. And in that set notation, we can also write our answer in an interval notation. Okay, so if we write x less than -5 in an interval notation, okay, that could be a so if you write x less than -5, that is parentheses -infinity to -5. Okay, union, the symbol of or is union. Okay, open parentheses, x is greater than 2, that's 2 comma to positive infinity, close parentheses. Okay, so x minus s less than -5, that is negative infinity to -5. X greater than 2, that is 2 to positive infinity. Okay, so set notation is the first solution, or our answer in the upper is the set notation, and our answer in an interval notation. So it's either of the two. No, it's either of the two is our solution. Okay, so that is greater than 0. That is how we're going to write our answer if our inequality is greater than 0. Okay, so I hope you get the process. And the next activity, we are going to shortcut our process without using table of signs. Okay, so thank you for watching.